Dear guests, we have just landed at Ninoy Aquino International Airport. AirAsia welcomes you to Manila. Please be informed that your arrival will be at Terminal 2. We're pleased to inform you that we have landed 35 minutes ahead of our schedule. For your safety, please remain seated until the seatbelt sign is switched off. Be careful when opening the overhead compartment, and please ensure you have all your personal belongings with you before leaving the aircraft. It was a pleasure having you on board, and we look forward to serving you again soon. On behalf of AirAsia, Captain Bob Armas, First Officer Patrick Aguilar, and the rest of the crew members, we would like to say thank you for flying with us. For passengers traveling with infants and were given infant life vests, please return them to the cabin crew upon deplaning. And for safety reasons, all guests are required to remain seated until the aircraft has come to complete stop at the parking bay and the fasten seatbelt sign is switched off. Thank you for your cooperation.